Hi. You know, when you say something enough times, eventually people stop understanding what the words mean, and they just memorize the words. This is what happens when you have slogans, and the one I'm talking about specifically is learning from your mistakes. People think this means not making the same mistake twice, and it can mean that, but that's a different idea. That, you know, really learning from your mistakes means being smart enough to observe what happens when you try to do something when it's not what you think is going to happen when you do it. That's learning from your mistakes. It's observing the result or the outcome of your actions. And if, you know, so in that sense, it doesn't even seem fair to say that you made a mistake, but of course we live in a meritocracy, so if you fucked up, you fucked up. If you made a decision and the outcome was negative or unintended rather than positive, it means, well, it's wrong. And wrong equals a mistake, right? Well, the other thing that's wrong is that people think that learning from your mistakes means not making the same mistake twice. Actually, I might argue, I'm going to try to argue, that if you try to do something, and I can't think of any good examples right now, and something else happens than what you expected, well, use the scientific method and do it again and see if it happens again. And then you really start to learn. Then you really start to learn that if I do this, that's going to happen and not what I thought was going to happen. That's learning from your mistakes. And then, you know, if you want that to happen, it's not a mistake anymore. So in that respect, you're not making the same mistake twice, because the action you took, if it has the intended result, which is not the result you previously thought it should or would be, you learned. 2 minutes.